Hi everyone, it's Miss Santoni. Today I'm going to give you an overview on my online class, Kindergarten Math. This is an addition unit. So on the Schoology homepage, you'll see materials. The first thing we're going to start with is Meet Miss Santoni. So you're going to click here. And this is information about me and the class that we are going to be having. Anytime you want to go back, you click the materials page. So we have a bunch of different folders that organize different things that you will need to complete throughout this course. We have a Start Here folder, General Information, Weekly Assignments and Assessments, a Discussion Board Forum, Resources, and Troubleshooting. So we're going to start with the Start Here folder. In here we have a link to the goals and objectives of this course, how to navigate the course, discussion forum policies, and then references. And this is where I will keep this located in case you need help finding something. Then we're going to go back to materials. In the general information folder, we have the course syllabus. This gives you an overview of this course, and there is a chart with weekly goals and objectives, as well as the assignments and the due dates. Then we also have a link to the Netiquette, which is a video to teach your child about how to use the internet in a kind and polite way. And then there's also a digital citizenship video for your students to learn how to be a good citizen on the internet. The course syllabus is connected to a Google Doc, so when you click on this, you do not have to go to a different link. It is right here in this tab. In my course syllabus, this is where you can contact me. And then there are also links to the weekly assignments if you would like to use them. It's just another way to get there easily. And if you ever want to go back to general information, you'll click it up at the top, or we can go back to materials. In the weekly assignments and assessments folder, this is where your learning modules will be each week. And you notice they are all yellow. So we have week 1 is adding and introductions. Week 2 is putting together. And week 3 is model and draw addition sentences. And in each of these folders, you're going to have an agenda/checklist. There will always be a presentation. So this one will be lesson 1 presentation. And in this, you will find different activities to do. So we have an introductions link, a pre-assessment, which is not graded, it's just for your child to be able to set a goal. We have the lesson 1 presentation. This is a splash math adding to 5, and then a week 1 assessment, which will be completed at the very end of the first week. I'm going to show you the week 1 presentation because it's going to look the same each week. I'm just going to add a different video. So you can either click present or you could just go through these slides on here. So every week you're going to have a math on the spot video. So this is going to be a link that you're going to go to. And you can just click it right here. It works on any web browser as well as an iPad. This is just a video from our math program introducing the new concept. And then the next slide that says try it out, we have a link. This is an interactive lesson that your child will have to listen and go through. This is also not graded, but it's a really fun way to learn about the new concept. And this one would be adding 2, which is for week 1. So each week your child is going to watch 2 adding videos, watch the math on the spot video, and complete the interactive lesson. We're going to go back into our weekly assessments and assignments. And then week 2 is going to look a lot similar to week 1. So you'll simply start at the very top and look at the checklist to see what is due this week and what you should be doing. The first thing I have is a printable tens frame and yellow and red counters. This can be printed out first before your child starts the lesson for the week, because it's a great resource for them to use to practice, and it's very hands-on. Then we have our week 2 presentation, which is the same as week 1. I just changed the videos. I have a 10s frame addition song, and they will complete their individual assignment using 10 frame addition. And this uses a web tool. So each thing has links and references to help you. And this one's going to be using the Math Learning Center number frames. So you simply click, and this is where they'll create their assignment. And everything always opens up into a new tab. So we're going to go back to week 2. And then back to materials. And then week 3 is the same type of thing as weeks 1 and 2. It just has different assignments. I also have the discussion board forum, which this is where you're going to post your introduction on week 1. We have questions that you can post, and you could either answer each other's questions, and I will also be answering questions. And then for week 3, you have an assignment to create a discussion board. So you simply click the link. Here are the directions. And there's also a grading scale that you can look at. It's a total of 8 points. And you can type and post in real time. Go back. And then I also have a resources folder which has links to the websites that we'll be using, the screencasts, which are tutorials that I have created, as well as that I have found online to help with different assignments. And then this is a link to videos that you can show your child. It's a bunch of dances and math songs that introduce addition, which students love. So this course is very easy to navigate through. It has color-coded folders, and everything is in its own place. I hope you enjoy completing this course with your child. I look forward to working with you.